When the earth speaks, will we listen? Imagine waking up one day and the sky looks different. Not blue, but gray. The air is heavy, the heat is unbearable, and the world feels tired. This is not a scene from a movie. It is the reality many countries are already living in, and it is the future we are heading toward. If we continue to ignore climate change and environmental degradation, climate change is not waiting for us to be ready. It is happening now. Climate change refers to the long-term shifts in temperature and weather patterns, mostly caused by today human actions, burning coal, oil, and gas, cutting down forests, and producing waste faster than the planet can recover. Environmental degradation follows polluted rivers, dying ecosystems, disappearing species, and make unsafe air. But this is not just a scientific issue, but it is a human issue. Globalization has transformed how we live. Our clothes may be printed in Bangladesh but sewn in China. Our phones contain minerals but mined in Africa, but assembled in elsewhere. This global supply change brings convenience, but at an enormous cost. Factories release massive carbon emissions. Megaships transform good but burn heavy fuels. Mining leaves lands, scared communities displaced. Globalization spreads economic growth, but also pollution, exploitation, and climate vulnerability. The world has become connected, but so have our problems. Around the world we see wildfires in Canada and Australia, deadly heat waves in Europe, flooded cities in Southeast Asia, melting glaciers in Antarctica. Here in the Philippines, we face stronger typhoons, eroding coastlines, and crops damages by drought. Farmers lost their income, students lost their homes, children lose their childhood. Climate change favors no one, but it hurts the poorest the most. When an environment collapses, peace collapses with it. Lack of food creates conflict. Lack of water creates tension. Loss of homes create displacement. Loss of resources create competition. Climate change steals not only land, it steals dignity, stability, and security. A warning planet becomes a breeding ground for inequality, injustice, and fear. That is why addressing climate change is not just saving nature, it is protecting human rights and defending peace. To restore peace, we must restore the environment. We must push for climate resilient communities, clean and renewable energy, strict protection of forests, oceans, and biodiversity, fair policies that supports farmers, fisher folks, and disaster-prone communities. Global corporation that ensures big polluters take responsibility. Our voice matter. Our choices matter. Reduce single-use plastics. Conserve energy and water. Support local products to lessen carbon footprints. Join cleanup drives and tree planting projects. Spread awareness online. We should vote and advocate for leaders who value sustainability. Small actions are not just insignificant, but they are sparks that ignite change. In conclusion, the earth has been speaking to us through storms, droughts, fires, and floods. The question is, will we finally listen? We are the last generation with the power to stop the worst effect of climate change. If we choose action over apathy, courage over comfort, hope over fear, we can rebuild a world where peace is not only possible, but permanent. So today, I call on you. Let us rise as protectors, not just consumers. Let us heal what we harm. Let us choose peace for our planet, for our people, and for the generations still dreaming for a future. The earth is calling, and we must answer now. Thank you.